Hello and assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are doing great, and by the way, I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. So let's start our today's video. This video is too much interesting because in this video I'm sharing with you Tourmaline necklace designs. Yes, you know, have you ever seen a gemstone that carries the entire rainbow within it? Well, today we are diving into the world of tourmaline necklace designs, a world where colors blend, elegance shines, and every piece tells a different story. Whether you love subtle pastel hues or bold, rich tones, tourmaline necklaces offer something truly magical. So get ready to explore the unique charm of this extraordinary gemstone. But before we unveil the most breathtaking tourmaline necklace collection, let's first understand what makes tourmaline such a beloved gem. So, let's discuss the beauty and mystery of tourmaline. Tourmaline is often called the rainbow gem because of its unparalleled color diversity. Unlike most gemstones, they have a limited color range. Tourmaline appears in green, pink, blue, red, yellow, and even bicolored or tricolored variations. Yes, the name tourmaline itself originates from the word tourmaline, meaning mixed gemstones. So, yeah, but did you know tourmaline has a fascinating natural beauty? It becomes electrically charged when heated or rubbed. This phenomenon, known as pyroelectricity, has made tourmaline not just a stunning gem but also a specific wonder. Now let's we have uncovered its beauty. Let's dive into the spectacular world of tourmaline necklace designs. Firstly, I want to introduce multicolor tourmaline bead necklace. Imagine wearing a necklace that mirrors a sunset with shades blending from deep pink to fairy orange to forest green. Multicolor tourmaline bead necklaces are a celebration of nature's color palette. These necklaces often feature round or faceted beads, giving them a delicate yet eye-catching appeal. These types of necklaces are best for casual elegance, bohemian styles, or layering with gold chains. And also, I want to share some interesting fact about these type of necklaces, which is, did you know that pink and green tourmalines are called watermelon tourmaline? The blend of these colors resembles a slice of watermelon, sweet or refreshing and totally unique. Next one is a raw and uncut tourmaline necklace. For those who adore nature-inspired jewelry, raw tourmaline necklaces are a must-have. Instead of polished gems, these necklaces feature natural uncut tourmaline crystals, giving them an organic and earthy charm. These are best for minimalist fashion lovers, nature-inspired styles, and those who appreciate the untouched beauty of gemstones. And also, I want to share that raw tourmaline pieces are believed to carry stronger healing energies since they remain in their most natural form, making them a favorite among spiritual jewelry lovers. If you are looking for a statement piece, tourmaline pendants set in gold or silver are a royal choice. These necklaces often feature a large tourmaline center stone, sometimes surrounded by diamonds or intricate metalwork. These type of necklaces are best for evening wear, formal events, or a touch of everyday luxury. Also, I want to share that wear a deep blue or a red tourmaline pendant with a black dress, and you will have a look that's both timeless and effortlessly sophisticated. Next most aesthetic type is tourmaline bar necklaces that are both modern and chic. For a sleek and contemporary look, tourmaline bar necklaces are a stunning choice. These designs feature small tourmaline stones lined up in a straight row, either in one color gradient or mixed hues. These are best for office wear, layering with minimalist jewelry, or gifting to a modern jewelry lover. Also, fun fact is that green tourmaline, also known as verdilite, was once worn by ancient warriors become because they believed it boosted courage and strength. Now let's discuss our dreamy collection. What was that? Did you know that pearls represent classic beauty while tourmaline adds a splash of vibrant color? When combined, these two elements create a luxurious and elegant necklace that suits both vintage and modern styles. So yeah, these type of necklaces are best for bridal jewelry, special occasions, and a vintage inspired fashion. Did you know that Cleopatra was said to have a worn tourmaline, believing it protected her from negative energies? Imagine wearing a gemstone that once adorned reality. Now, wind up the video with the most interesting question, which is why tourmaline necklaces are more than just jewelry. So, yeah, basically, tourmaline is not just stunning, it's also believed to have healing and energy balancing properties. Different colors of tourmaline are associated with various benefits, like pink tourmaline for love, compassion, and emotional healing. Green tourmaline are best for growth, prosperity, and connection with nature. Black tourmaline are also associated with protection against negative energy, and the blue one indicate calming effects, and enhanced communication. Which tourmaline color do you feel most connected to? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.